Hello everyone, these are the masks that you're going to be getting. I used a receipt here to represent the filter, and I'm here to tell you how to disassemble this thing and put it back together. So this is how you're going to receive them. To take this front piece off, I like to grab this spot right here with my fingers and then lift it up. Comes off. We're using a receipt to represent the filter. This is where the filter is going to be placed. To remove this piece, you're going to want to put 2 thumbs around in this area. I feel like is the best method, and then just push and it should pop right out. You're going to want to use gloves for this, and you know, all this is going to have to be done in some kind of process that you need to come up with to to disinfect this whole thing before you do any of this, obviously. So here's the piece, and here's the 3 pieces that come with it. To reassemble this, you're going to want to get your filter, which we've included. You're going to want to put it inside. That covers the square hole. It covers the square hole. You're going to take this piece. You're just going to kind of feel for the square hole, and once you find them, I like to go from the sides, and you can hear one snap in and the other 2 snap in. Turn it over. When putting on the snout of the mask, you want to go from the top, that, and then push, and you should hear it click into place. And that is the mask.